Life is about making the right choices. But the question is, are you? Well, here's some food for thought. How good is food when it's not packaged the way it deserves to be? Did you know that the usage of low-quality disposables could be bad for you and your loved ones in more ways than you could imagine? It can change how your food tastes, and sometimes even lead to food contamination that could harm your health. Your choices are important because from plates to cups, aluminum foils to cling films, food containers to carry bags, and pretty much all disposables that we use knowingly and unknowingly are an everyday part of our lives. Why go for low-grade disposables when you can get award-winning, internationally certified, environmental-friendly, high-quality disposable food packaging products at more or less the same cost, in-store or online from Hotpack, the region's largest manufacturer of hygienic, safe-to-use disposable packaging products. Remember, food packaging products may be disposable. Your good health and that of your loved ones are certainly not. Choose wisely. Switch to Hotpack. Hotpack. Celebrate your food.